with simplysimplestamping.com. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's card. Guys, I've got a wonderful, simple card. This is perfect for a baby shower, wedding shower. You're gonna love how simple this one is because we're gonna really utilize our paper and make sure we use every little bit. So let's get going. I'm so excited to create this card. Let me go ahead and share with you the cardstock you need to create it. I have a piece of Whisper White Thick. This is cut 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I also have a piece of standard Whisper White. This piece is cut 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then my two pieces here, I've got Pool Party, 3 1/4 by 4 1/2, and a piece of our designer series paper in the Subtles collection, and this is 3 by 4 1/4. And guys, that's all we need. We're going to use a lot of layers that you're not going to see to be able to create our card and save cardstock. Are you ready? Let's go. So we're going to be using the brand new Blended Seasons bundle. Remember, this is a limited time bundle only through August 2018, and I am going to be using the bundle. I love the stamp set. It's awesome, but these framelits have just wowed my socks off. And I'll also be using the Tuft embossing folder. This one gives it that really nice soft look. That's what's going to make it perfect for a wedding or a baby. First things first, let's go ahead and do our big shot work. So I've got that single piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to take the smallest label framelit, and I want that to go right there in the center. I'm then going to take the piece of Pool Party, and we're going to add the bow, and then this bundle comes with these great little swirls, and what I love is I get 2 of them. That's pretty awesome. That way I can do all this cutting at one time. So these are the pieces that we need. Let's go run that through the Big Shot. When you're punching out these pieces from the bow, there's a center to that bow. I want you to hold on to that one. I just liked adding that little center to my bow. It's optional, but I thought it looked nice. Guys, the stamping couldn't be any simpler. I'm going to take my Memento ink pad. I'm going to use the word congrats. Let's stamp that right here in the center. There we go. I'm going to set this off to the side because I'm now going to work with this piece that we cut out because, you know, we're going to use everything. I love that I can use my cardstock in multiple ways instead of just layering. So I'm going to place that here in the Tuft embossing folder. Let's run that through the Big Shot. So there we go. We have that all embossed, and that I think just gives it such a nice soft look. I do want to point out, do you see the stitched frame that the window leaves behind? But you also get a stitched frame on the piece that cuts out. This is going to make this stamp set, and this framelit set, I should say, really serve double purpose. I love it. It's time to put our card together. I decided I wanted to go ahead and use my multi-purpose glue. This is the green lid glue. You guys have heard us talk about this numerous times. Let's go ahead and add that to the center of our card. The other thing I like about using that multi-purpose glue, it gives me the opportunity to wiggle it around if I need to. We'll give this a really nice press. I can now add this piece of Pool Party. Again, I'm just avoiding the area there that is that we cut out, that we die cut. Not a problem though, we're gonna be covering that up. That's gonna cover up this area right here. Let's add that. And 3 guesses what we're gonna do next. Hey, let's add that designer series paper to cover up that. Guys, it just couldn't be any simpler. I've added 4 Stampin' Dimensionals to the back of my sentiment, and now we can add our focal images. So I'm going to just put a little glue here on a silicone mat. You guys have probably seen me use this method when it comes to adding really delicate details. So I've just got this is my gluey sponge. That's all I use it for is glue, and I'm just adding it to the center of that bow. And let me show you why. Because when we attach it to our card, you see only part of the bow is actually going to stick. And now for those 2 swirls, let's just add some glue to the back of those. I'm going to add 1 right here under my sentiment, and that's just going to stick onto the DSP. And our remaining one, let's add that to the inside of our card. That just adds a nice little extra element. And guys, with that, our nice, clean, and simple congrats card. Again, like I said, perfect for a baby shower, perfect for a wedding shower. What a wonderful and simple, clean card. There you go. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's card. I really love the simplistic. I love the clean, crisp lines in this card, and especially that embossing folder. I think it just gave it the perfect touch. Perfect, again, like I said, for a wedding shower or baby shower. I think it's just right. Now, if you'd like to see more information on today's card, head over to simplysimplestamping.com. Just look for the August 2nd, 2018 blog post. I'll have everything there. You'll have the measurements, all the supplies I use to create the card, so that if you need to add anything to your next order, all you have to do is just click a pick and it'll take you right to my online store and you can order what you need. Well, there you go. Thanks guys so much for tuning into the video. If you liked what you see, give me a thumbs up there on YouTube. And while you're at it, why not subscribe to my channel? I've got over 700 videos to take your paper crafting to a whole new level. Be sure to check it out. Guys, have a great day, everyone. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.